Endometriosis is one of the commonest hormonal problem presenting in a young reproductive age group females. The common age group who are presenting with endometriosis are the teenage populations who starts their period and gradually embarking on the reproductive life, and also those who are planning their pregnancy. Painful heavy periods is the most commonest feature of endometriosis, and other group which presents with the infertility problem, 50% of them present with endometriosis. Endometriosis causes infertility in various ways. One is producing an ovulation where they do not produce eggs. Sometimes they produce excessive adhesions causing tubal blockage, and generally endometriosis changes the pelvic environment so much that it makes very hostile environment to get someone pregnant. The treatment of endometriosis varies from the conservative treatment where we have to keep the uterus, and to the extent that where we need to remove the uterus with all the ovaries, both the ovaries and the tubes. Where we have to go for conservative management, especially when we are planning for pregnancy. Sometimes hormonal medication starting from progesterone, danazol and GnRH analog injections are commonly used, and in laparoscopic surgery we sometimes deal with minimally invasive endometriosis, and we can deal with larger cyst also nowadays with the laparoscopic advanced instruments. But infertility most of the time remains even if we treat the disease, but we'll have to maintain the treatment throughout their reproductive life, and most of the time artificial reproduction is one of our way out to treat the infertility problem. And even if we are not planning any pregnancy, the treatment of endometriosis has to be continued, because if we have periods and we are not planning the pregnancy, disease always aggravates and lands up in having severe diseases. Usually it is divided into some 4 stages of disease, where grade 1 to grade 4 the variation of the disease extends from the minimal extension to severely inflamed disease where it involves bladder and bowel, and we should not be so endometriosis, even if it is not a cancerous disease, it is a morbid disease which can change the woman's lifestyle very much. So gynecologists should be always prepared to offer treatment for the endometriosis, and the patients should always come forward to get the treatment and also to continue the treatment, because at the end of their reproductive life most of them though has to offer themselves for the hysterectomy or submit themselves for the hysterectomy and bilateral sulfing oophorectomy. At that point it can cause much more morbidity if they remain untreated in their life. So endometriosis is a disease nowadays it increasing in incidence because people are planning their pregnancy quite delayed at the around 35 or so. So the prevalence of endometriosis is going up. So people should be aware of the disease and should come forward to get the treatment from the gynecologist as it required.